So we came to Bluffton back in 2011. Matt was in the Coast Guard back then, and that's what brought us here. And we found it, and we just fell in love and said, we can't leave here. So we ended up getting out of the Coast Guard and taking a new route. He went back to school for construction management, and we knew that this was where we wanted to put roots down. It immediately felt like home. So we did take a little detour in our Bluffton hometown story, and we ended up moving to Greenville earlier this year. We were there for about 3.5 months.
But once we were there, again, after 3 months, we looked at each other and said, what are we doing? Like, we could never quite get settled, and I think we quickly realized that it's because we weren't in the right spot. We needed to go back to Bluffton.
Bluffton has done a really good job at preserving the history of the area, but also the architecture of the area, and even, a lot of the new stuff that's getting built, it kind of needs to blend and match that, and they've done a good job of making sure that that happens.
We like whole home cosmetic renovations. We care very much about character. Like, we love working with an old house, and we don't want to just rip it down and just make it look like a house that was built in 2025.
And it's an investment that's worth it because it's that feeling of, okay, now I'm in the town that feels like home, and I'm walking into the home that feels like my home forever. Knowing that he immediately connected with the Don Ryan Center, and that we had that tool, and that we had people that were willing to invest in us and kind of carry us through some things, that the areas of the business that we're both weak in.
Just surrounding you with a team of people that have kind of been there, done that, maybe not in your exact lane, but they've started a business, and again, everything that goes with it, they put a team around you that is just supportive, and all they want to do is help you succeed, and that's a reassuring feeling.
And I think it also speaks volumes to the town of Bluffton and how it is that they want to invest in something like this to make that help affordable for a small business like us, and how they want to support and bring people together, and that they really want small businesses to thrive here.